Have you ever wondered why traditional neural networks struggle with understanding context in a conversation or predicting the next stock price based on historical trends? The core issue is that conventional neural networks treat each input independently, lacking any memory of previous data points. This is a significant limitation when dealing with sequential information, where the order and context of data are paramount. That's precisely where recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, step in. They are a specialized class of neural networks designed specifically to process sequences of data, like text, speech, or time series. RNNs introduce a memory component, allowing information to persist and influence future predictions. This capability makes them foundational for many advanced AI applications we use daily, from language translation to voice assistants. Today, we'll dive deep into how RNNs work, explore their strengths and weaknesses, and understand why they've been a critical stepping stone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. We'll uncover the mechanisms that allow them to remember and how more advanced architectures overcome their inherent challenges. Let's begin our journey into the world of sequential data modeling. The magic behind RNNs lies in their recurrent connection. Unlike feed-forward networks, an RNN passes information from one step of the sequence to the next. Imagine a student reading a book. They don't just read one word and forget the previous ones. They build an understanding by remembering what came before. An RNN works similarly through its hidden state. This hidden state acts as the network's short-term memory, carrying information from previous time steps. At each step, the RNN takes the current input and the previous hidden state, processes them, and produces an output and a new hidden state. This new hidden state then becomes the memory for the next step in the sequence. A crucial aspect is that RNNs use the same set of weights for each step in the sequence. This shared weights principle allows the network to learn patterns across different positions in the sequence, making it efficient. When we unroll an RNN, we visualize this process as a series of interconnected cells, each representing a time step. This unrolled representation clearly shows how information flows in a loop, propagating memory forward through time, enabling the network to learn dependencies over variable-length sequences. While standard RNNs are powerful, they suffer from a significant challenge: the vanishing and exploding gradient problem. During training, gradients can become extremely small, making it difficult for the network to learn long-term dependencies, effectively causing it to forget information from earlier in the sequence. Conversely, gradients can explode, leading to unstable training. To combat this, two revolutionary architectures emerged: long short-term memory, or LSTMs, and gated recurrent units, or GRUs. These are specialized types of RNN cells designed with internal gate mechanisms that regulate the flow of information. LSTMs, for instance, employ three main gates: an input gate, a forget gate, and an output gate. Think of these as intelligent filters that decide what information to keep, what to discard, and what to output to the next hidden state. This allows LSTMs to selectively remember or forget information over long periods. GRUs are a slightly simpler, more streamlined version of LSTMs, combining the input and forget gates into a single update gate, and also incorporating a reset gate. While simpler, GRUs often perform comparably to LSTMs on many tasks. Both LSTMs and GRUs are fundamental to modern sequential data processing, offering a robust solution to the vanishing gradient problem, and enabling models to capture intricate long-range dependencies. The ability of RNNs, especially LSTMs and GRUs, to process sequential data has made them indispensable across a wide array of real-world applications. In natural language processing, or NLP, RNNs are crucial for tasks like sentiment analysis, where understanding the sequence of words helps determine the emotional tone of text. They can identify if a review is positive or negative by capturing context. For machine translation, RNNs power systems that convert text from one language to another, like Google Translate. They learn the intricate grammatical structures and semantic relationships between words in different languages to produce coherent translations. In time series prediction, RNNs can analyze historical data, such as stock prices, weather patterns, or sensor readings, to forecast future values.
Their memory allows them to detect trends and seasonality that simpler models might miss. Finally, in speech recognition, RNNs are used to transcribe spoken language into text. They process the sequential nature of audio signals, mapping sounds to words and sentences, forming the backbone of voice assistants and dictation software. These applications demonstrate the versatility and power of recurrent networks in handling complex, time-dependent data. While RNNs, LSTMs, and GRUs revolutionized sequential data processing, the field is always evolving. A major shift has occurred with the rise of transformers and attention mechanisms. Transformers, which rely entirely on attention mechanisms rather than recurrence, have largely surpassed traditional RNNs in many NLP tasks due to their ability to process sequences in parallel and capture global dependencies more effectively. However, RNNs still face challenges. Training can be slow for very long sequences, and interpreting their internal memory remains complex, making them less transparent than some other models. The future likely involves hybrid models, combining the strengths of different architectures. For instance, using RNNs for local context and transformers for global relationships could unlock even more powerful solutions for complex tasks. Continuous innovation in sequence modeling means new architectures and techniques are constantly emerging, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve with sequential data. To dive deeper, explore resources on attention mechanisms and the transformer architecture, and consider experimenting with PyTorch or TensorFlow tutorials on sequence modeling. The journey of understanding sequential data is ongoing and full of exciting possibilities.